Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today inspected some ongoing construction works in Imphal city. The Chief Minister first visited Kangla, where a bridge is under construction over Imphal River at the eastern side of Kangla to pave the way for opening of Nongpok Thong, eastern gate of the fort. From there, he went to Chairao Ching and inspected the ongoing construction of Ecotourism Park there. The project is likely to be inaugurated within this month. Irate residents of Thoubal Mojing torched the house of one Maiba Abdul Sattar and accused in the killing of Rivash Khan at Mojing last night at around 8:45. Maiba Abdul Sattar is now in police custody. Rivash, a 4-year-old boy from Mojing, went missing on January 19 last, and his body was found in a pond in Mojing area on January 24. Thousands of people took to the streets of Yangon today to denounce the weak scope and demand the release of elected leader Aung San Suu Kyi in the first such demonstration since the generals seized power. Reuters reports military dictator fail, democracy win-win. Protests chanted calling for the military to free Nobel Peace Laureate Suu Kyi and other leaders of a National League for Democracy (NLD) who have been detained since the coup on February 1. Myanmar's junta extended a social media blockade on Twitter and Instagram today in the face of a growing protest movement against the coup that ousted elected leader Aung San Suu Kyi and halted a transition to democracy. Days after a temporary blockade on Facebook, authorities ordered internet providers to enforce the latest ban until further notice, according to media reports. Elated at the decision of Pauyi village of Ukhrul district to join the war on drugs initiated by Manipur government and to destroy poppy plants in the village, Chief Minister N. Biren has announced to give a cash award of Rs 10 lakh to the villagers. The Pauyi villagers recently destroyed poppy cultivation in their village. A one-day training program on packaging was held at City Convention in Palace Compound today, organized by Pauna Mart. The program was held under the aegis of Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles, Government of Manipur. Textiles, Commerce and Industries Minister T.S. Bishwajit, Textile, Commerce and Industries Commissioner R.K. Dinesh, Director in charge of IIP, Ministry of Commerce and Industries, Praveen Kumar, and Director of Indian Institute of Packaging, Tanveer Alam, were present during the program. As part of the media campaign on Know Your Sanctuaries and Wetlands organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU, a media team today visited Loktak Lake, a wetland of international importance and designated as Ramsar site. During the trip, the AMJU team will study the nature and ecosystem of the lake and the continuous threat caused by human intervention. The second anniversary of affiliation of Rongmei Naga Luphom Manipur RNLPM to Naga Women Union was observed at the office of Rongmei Naga Council Manipur, Longmai Bajar on the Nonne district today. Rongmei Naga Luphom Longmei Lungren RNLLL organized the program. Accusing the lawyers in the state of indulging in anti-law activities, Uripok Apunbanu Pilup Unal has said that lawyers should focus on their job. Unal organized a sit-in protest this morning at Uripok Chairap Machin in Imphal. The demonstration was held to condemn All Manipur Bar Association AMBA for filing a criminal defamation case against Uripok Apunbalu. Jayasri said the case has been filed against the Loop after the organization made an appeal to AMBA to stop street vending near Uripok Chairap Court. India reported 11,713 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the tally in the country to 1.08 crore, according to the data released by the Union Health Ministry this morning. A media report said, with 95 more deaths due to COVID-19 infections, the total number of fatalities in the country has climbed to 1,54,918. As of this morning, there are a total of 1,48,590 active cases, which accounts for 1.37% of the total caseload, while 1.05 people infected with the virus have been recovered, with 14,488 new discharges in the span of 24 hours. The national recovery rate is at 97.19% and the COVID-19 case fatality rate stood at 1.43%. The Delhi police has deployed additional measures, including tightening security and intensifying vigil at Delhi's border points to deal with any situation emerging out of the proposed Chakka Jam by farmers protesting against centre's farm laws. The protesting farmers have decided to block roads and highways during the nationwide Chakka Jam for 3 hours, a media report said.